research about my interest. There are diseases hidden in ice and they are waking up. Rising temperature in the world may accelerate the speed of melting ice. This can open a Pandora's box of disease. I went to two different sites. At site one, there are a railway, farms, and houses on Talmadge Hill. At site two, I walked along the Haeundae beach, and there are skyscrapers next to coastal line. At Site 1, the railway first opened in 1935 during the Japanese colony period. The old track was difficult to electrify and transform into a double track in the original route. So on December 2013, route closed. In September 2015, the Green Railway project was launched to establish hiking trails, shelter, and green areas. And right next to the railway, there is a sweet potato plot which residents use it to cultivate. However, the problem is a drain is located right next to the plot. The drain does not have any filter and it is connected to the sea directly. This causes environmental contamination. At Site 2, there were three streams which connected to the Haeundae. They were covered by cement in order to construct buildings and roads. Before developing, this area has plenty of sand, so there were many sand suppliers. As time goes on, these sand suppliers has diminished because of the development. The natural replenishment cycle of sandy beaches has changed. In 2013, there were lack of sand on the beach. Since then, the city has started to add sand at the beach. I was inspired by Gabi O. She described an iceberg, which name is what lives beneath. The iceberg analogy connects with the importance and fragility of our ice caps. The world temperature has been dramatically increased by human in recent years. Because of this, icebergs are melting rapidly now. So I wanted to present this melted iceberg impact on rise the sea level. The word biomimicry describes the process of humans borrowing designs and systems from nature to create their own technology. Julian Brue's biome started from nature and he tried to increase energy efficiency in the building. Another reference is Hano, which can control temperature itself, both examples of sustainable buildings. This page is about experimentation. I have grown a sweet potato and beans in order to observe life. Mold is unintentionally growing from the sweet potato, and beans are beginning to come up. From these experiments, I could understand the processes of grow lives. I have studied environmental pollution and biology in common in all research processes. I will go further and find a connection between these two topics.